Innovex Arena, Python series. Day 3, user input in Python. In Python, we use input to take information from users. What if your Python program could talk with users? Example, name equals input, open parenthesis, quote, enter your name, colon quote, close parenthesis, print open parenthesis, name close parenthesis. This program asks for your name and prints it on the screen. Input makes programs interactive and smart. Using input, you can build login systems, chatbots, games, and AI assistants. You can even combine input with variables for powerful programs. Age equals input, open parenthesis, quote, enter your age, colon, quote, close parenthesis, print, open parenthesis, age close parenthesis. Tomorrow we'll learn operators in Python. Now follow Innovex Arena for daily coding and tech content.